Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And this video is the last part of our Marvel Legends mini-series, Build a Figure Chod. And you know what that means? Let's vault in! Let's go! Okay, so we have here all the parts we need to build our figure, which is once again Chod. Okay, so we have 6 parts, and these parts came from our 6 previous unboxing videos. So if you haven't watched those videos, you can pause this one and then take a look at them. Okay, don't worry, we'll be back here. We'll wait for you before we build our figure. And of course, Chod comes together with Kree. Okay, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Okay, but this white pet, okay, is also a part of the Starjammers. Chod, of course, is a founding member of the Starjammers. He is from a race called Saurid. Okay, so you can see the features. Definitely granting him super strength, durability, endurance, but he is also a great swordsman and marksman, just like any other Starjammers. Okay, so before we look at and build the figure, let's of course examine some Heroclix figures of Chod. Okay, and we begin with the first time Chod was clixed, and it was during the giant size X-Men set. Okay, so you can see here Chod. He's a bit dark. Okay, color scheme is dark green. Okay, so this is Chod. Monster, Starjammers, and Warrior keywords. 101 points. Okay, that 1 point is a bit weird. It was not anymore the convention to have odd numbers or points for figures. Let's take a look at a quick factoid of Chod. Okay, as I said, member of the Starjammers, one of the founding members, and real name is Chod. Significant appearance X-Men 104, 1977. One of the Starjammers' founding members, the alien Chod, fierceness in combat and his massive reptilian bulk make the Saurid seem intimidating. Though at heart he's a very genial soul, Chod, once a slave on the planet Alcibar in the Shi'ar Empire, met Corsair and the other Starjammers members and aided in a slave uprising. Chod has worked alongside the X-Men on many occasions, protecting Shi'ar majestic Lilandra and helping to fight the Phalanx. He currently works with Havoc and Polaris, among others, to thwart the Shi'ar Empire's new tyrant Vulcan. Okay, so I guess that's the Rise and Fall storyline. Okay, so that's Chod, gentle giant, but do not be mistaken, he can be a fierce combatant. The next time we saw Chod was in the House of X set. Okay, so you can see here Chod now closer to the color scheme, and Kree is here. Kree is here. Okay, take a look at Kree. Oops. Okay, on his shoulder. Okay, let's see. Set number 49, Starjammers, Monster, Pirate, Warrior keyword. Protectors of the swashbuckling pirates, space pirates. Defend enhancement when Chod uses enhancement. Friendly characters with the Starjammers keyword modify damage by +2 instead. That's a very strong trait, okay, because it's really hard nowadays to get damage increased by 2. Kree, my pet, is the second trait. When Chod starts the game, generate a Kree bystander that gains the Starjammers keyword. And this is Kree. He has plasticity, poison, and super senses. Tiny with 1 damage. Okay, so just poison piece and tie up. Okay, and that's the dial of Chod. Okay, so by the way, he has improved targeting, can shoot and destroy through blocking. Okay, and the last Chod that we're going to look at is the modern age Chod, and from the Rise and Fall set. You can see Kree is still on his shoulder. Okay, let's take a look. Starjammers, Monster, Pirate, Soldier keywords. Salvage trait. Free. If Chud occupies or is adjacent to hindering terrain, roll a d6 and place it on this card. Max 1. If Chud has a die on this card, he modifies by +1 the listed combat values, matching the number on the die. When he makes an attack, after resolutions, remove the die. So on 3 to 4, attack, 5 damage, 6 attack and damage. So this particular mechanics of salvage has not been used so much. Okay, it's a bit hard to pull it off, especially if you're missing on a 1 and a 2. Okay, so it would have been better if it's like 1 to 3 attack, 4 to 5 damage, 6 attack and damage, so that you always have a benefit. The trait, second one is I will protect you. Other friendly characters with the Starjammers keyword can use Mastermind, but only to choose Chod. So he's taking all the damage on behalf of the team. Okay, so this one he's wearing a brown cape, I guess, with the Starjammers logo. Okay, and that's the dial for Chod. He is dolphin symbol, representing his reptilian heritage. That means he cannot be targeted by characters that are, I think, 4 squares away, okay, from him. Which is good, because if it's 4 or 5 squares away, then Chod can then retaliate with a charge of 9 speed or 5 speed, because we have to half it. So those are the 3 figures right now of Chud. Okay, so the gentle giant, green giant of the Starjammers. Let's go ahead and go to the main event, taking out our tough parts. We have here the, what's this one? The left arm. Okay. We have here the right arm. We have the torso. And then let's take out the rest of the appendages. We have Kree. We have the head. We have the right leg. And we have the left leg. Okay. Let's bolt in. And there we go. We have, oh, I like the articulation of the jaw. Okay, let's finally the head. Okay, there you go. So we have here Chod. Okay, let's open up. There you go. So here is Chod in all his glory. Okay, tight joints. Legs are okay. Okay, very tight knee. Okay. And torso, and of course the mouth articulation. I wonder, how do we put Kree? Kree rather. I always say Kree. Can we just put him here? Okay, that would suffice. And let's see. This is the closest pose, I guess, that we can do for Chod. So let's put his arms a little to the side. Oops. And then head tilted. Arms, other arm. It's a bit hard to put the arm up. Okay. Then legs. Oops. Legs a little bent on the knee. And Kree on his shoulder. Chod from the Starjammer set. Thank you very much, everyone, especially those who have watched all 7 parts, I would say, or even 8 parts of this particular mini-series. Until the next Build a Figure. Bye-bye!